Hello, welcome to our Bali interior design and architecture journey by Tree Design, where we explore the beauty and elegance of this enchanting island through the lens of design. As we delve into the vibrant culture and natural beauty of Bali, we'll uncover the perfect blend of style and comfort that makes this destination a world-renowned hotspot for architects and interior designers alike. Our story begins in the lush, green valleys of beauty, where ancient temples and rice terraces stand in perfect harmony with the verdant landscape. Here, traditional Balinese architecture is showcased in stunning detail, with natural materials like stone, wood, and teak used to create luxurious and airy living spaces. As we venture into the heart of the island, we'll encounter the striking contrast of modern rocks and steel buildings against the backdrop of the Bali skyline. These sleek, contemporary structures reflect the island's dynamic spirit and its ever-evolving relationship with modernity and tradition. But Bali is not just about architecture. It's also a paradise for nature lovers, with breathtaking beaches, lush forests, and verdant rice terraces stretching out as far as the eye can see. This natural beauty serves as the perfect backdrop for the bold, contemporary designs that we encounter in Bali. Our journey through the interior design and architecture of Bali will take us through the kaleidoscope of styles and influences, from the delicate, traditional Balinese aesthetics to the bold, modern sensibilities of the island's contemporary scene. We'll encounter the perfect blend of old-world charm and new-age technology, creating a truly unique and mesmerizing destination for all who visit. So join us on this captivating adventure as we uncover the secrets behind Bali's interior design and architecture and discover the true essence of this enchanting island. Bali, a beautiful island in Indonesia, is known for its harmonious blend of spirituality, natural beauty, and cultural heritage. The house interior design philosophy that arises from this rich tapestry is rooted in the Balinese concept of loka or surya. The loka philosophy in Bali emphasizes the balance between the natural world and human beings. This is reflected in the house interior design, where natural elements such as wood, stone, and plants are used to create a sense of connection with the environment. The use of natural light and open spaces is also a key aspect of this philosophy, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. In terms of color schemes, the loka philosophy places great emphasis on the use of natural colors found in the landscape, such as greens, browns, and blues. These colors are used to create a sense of unity and balance within the home, as well as to create a peaceful atmosphere. The Surya philosophy, on the other hand, is centered around the idea of self-expression and individuality. This philosophy is reflected in the house interior design through the use of bold, vibrant colors and unique design elements. The use of furniture and decorations with a distinct Balinese style is a key way to incorporate the Surya philosophy into house interiors. In conclusion, the Balinese house interior design philosophy is a harmonious blend of the natural world, self-expression, and balance. By incorporating elements such as natural materials, open spaces, and Balinese-style furniture, homeowners can create a space that reflects the essence of Bali culture and its rich philosophies. The bedroom, dressed in a soothing shade of pastel blue, exudes an aura of tranquility. A plush, white bed, adorned with elegant, handmade pillows, stands in the center of the room. A beautifully carved wooden dresser with intricate designs etched into its surface sits beside the bed, serving as a perfect complement to the room's overall aesthetic. As the lights are dimmed, revealing the stunning, hand-painted walls with intricate patterns and textures. The eyes glide effortlessly from one piece of art to another. A beautifully framed, tropical landscape painting with lush greenery and vibrant colors sits on the dresser's side. A piece of art depicting a bird perched on a tree, with the sun shining through the trees in the background, adorns the wall above the bed. A floor-to-ceiling bookshelf filled with inspirational and historical texts stands nearby, adding an element of sophistication to the room. The bedroom centerpiece, however, is a large, soaking tub surrounded by a light wooden bench. The warm, toasty water cascading from the shower invites relaxation and rejuvenation. As the sun peeks through the curtains, illuminating the room, the exterior of the house can be seen. A beautiful tropical garden with colorful flowers and lush foliage lies behind the bedroom. The sound of birds chirping fills the air, adding a touch of nature to the serene atmosphere of the room. The bedroom, with its Bali-style interior design, is the perfect sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. The blend of traditional and contemporary design elements, combined with the natural beauty of the surroundings, creates a perfect oasis for those who seek peace and tranquility.